In the next program, we are going to take a number from user and then we are going to print factorial of that number. Then we'll also check whether the number is prime or not, and we'll also print Fibonacci series till the level equal to user's given number. So programs for factorial, checking prime and Fibonacci series we have already seen in detail. So in this program, I'm not going to explain logic of solving Fibonacci, prime or finding factorial. However, we will concentrate our learning on functions. So to perform factorial, to check number is prime or not, and Fibonacci, I have written functions which can be utilized whenever we require, like this. So all these three functions are taking a single input parameter and they are performing their individual operations. Like here, this function will find factorial and it is just simply printing factorial is fact. So in this operation, it is using the value of x which will be passed from your function main. Similarly, in the second function is prime, the same parameter will be used to find whether number is prime or not, and if it is prime, this will be printed that it is a prime number. Else, if somewhere this condition holds false, so it will print that number is not prime and controller will return from this point. So instead of using exit, I have used return over here, because if we exit program immediately here, then subsequent lines from main program will also be skipped. Those won't get executed. So once we write return, then from this line when main has called it, once each prime returns 0, this statement is considered as executed and controller will move on to this line. But in case if we have written exit over here instead of return 0, then this line will not get executed at all, because your program will terminate here and here only. So similarly, in the third call, this function will be called and it is going to perform these statements to print Fibonacci series. So in the main program, again, just to explain it, I am accepting a number from user, putting it at n, and these are our three functions which we have declared and defined already. So we are just calling them, passing the value of n. So value of n will be stored into x and operations on x will be performed on each of the functions.